Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you how you can customize your lock screen like this, and it is very easy. Now let's start. Tap on customize. You can add effects, just swipe right. You can add widget, battery widget. If you add widget, then depth effect will not work. And if you want depth effect, then remove widget. How you can add pin location or live location on this wallpaper. Open setting, right location, then on your astronomical location. If I will turn it off, cannot see live location. Now I will on it again. Now you can see the current location. How you can on your battery percentage. Just open your setting, search battery, open it and on your battery percentage. How you can see your Wi-Fi password, and this is very simple. Just open your Wi-Fi setting, tap on your Wi-Fi. Now tap on password, then it will require your Face ID and show you then password. How you can change your photo's background. Tap on your photo and hold it and then drag and drop it anywhere. I will drop it on my notes. You can send it through iMessages and also you can upload it on Instagram. In iOS 16, everyone cannot see your hidden folder and also recently delete photos. When you tap on it, it will require your Face ID and then show you properly. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.